Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So if you don't want Telegram to filter out sensitive content for you, then watch this video until the very end to learn how to enable sensitive content. So the Telegram application doesn't have that option built in, so we have to go to the web version of Telegram. So open your web browser, and type Telegram Web in the URL bar. Now click on the link that says, Telegram Web. Now you need to enter your phone number and country to log in to the Telegram Web. And they will text you a login code. So enter that. When we log into the Telegram Web, we need to click on the three lines in the top left corner, and then tap on Settings. Find the Privacy and Security option and open it, and scroll down until you see a Sensitive Content section. If we want to enable sensitive content on Telegram, all we need to do is to check the Disable Filtering option here. This will turn off the sensitive content filter, and you will be able to view sensitive content on the Telegram app. So if this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.